For this video, let's save a home search on homes.com. Once you're on the home page, look for Explore and click on it. A menu of options will appear. Then choose Full Inventory. A map will preview at your screen. Zoom out on the map, then click and drag using your mouse to explore other continents or locations you want. On the upper panel of your screen, you'll see the All Filters button. Click it. From here, the All Properties filter settings will appear on your screen. Scroll down to check all your details. Click For Sale. Scroll down to check all your details. In architectural style, check some choices you like. Take your time to check your preferences. Once you're done, click the Save Search button. A floating panel of Save Your Search. Here you can check your name you search and your email alerts. You can also invite someone. Click Invite, then enter your co-shopper email. Or you can share invite link. After that, you can click the X button to close it. Once you're done, click Save Search. A pop-up message in your bottom part of your screen stating, "Search saved successfully." And that's how to save a home search on homes.com. Thank you for watching.